Comparing two software options side by side. An AI voice continues from here. Infinox positions itself as a flexible, execution-focused broker, designed to serve both retail and more experienced traders who want choice without unnecessary friction. The platform supports MT4 and MT5 across desktop, web, and mobile, giving traders access to Forex, indices, commodities, equities, and cryptocurrencies through a familiar trading environment. Execution is built around ECN and STP models, allowing traders to choose between tighter spreads with commissions or commission-free pricing with slightly wider spreads. Liquidity depth is a strong point here, with fast order execution and minimal requotes during normal market conditions, which appeals to scalpers and intraday traders. Infinox also supports advanced tools like copy trading, VPS hosting, and automated strategies, making it suitable for traders who want to scale beyond manual execution or run multiple systems simultaneously with consistent performance. The advantages of Infinox include platform reliability, competitive spreads on ECN accounts, flexible leverage options, and a wide selection of instruments across major and alternative markets. Multiple account configurations allow traders to adapt the setup to their strategy rather than forcing a one-size-fits-all structure. Customer support is frequently mentioned as responsive and helpful, particularly during onboarding, verification, and initial funding stages, which reduces friction for new users. On the downside, higher leverage may not be suitable for inexperienced traders, and some users report that advanced tools and integrations require time to configure properly. While the platform is well-rounded from an execution standpoint, it does not heavily differentiate itself with proprietary analytics, built-in portfolio intelligence, or deep institutional research layers. Infinox was founded in 2009 and has steadily built its reputation as a global broker focused on execution quality and account flexibility rather than aggressive marketing or promotional gimmicks. Over time, it expanded its regulatory footprint and product range, positioning itself as a mid-tier broker that balances accessibility with professional trading features. Its growth has been gradual and consistent, appealing primarily to traders who value platform stability, transparent trade execution, and predictable trading conditions rather than social trading hype or short-term bonuses. Pricing reflects that flexibility. Traders can choose between STP accounts with no commissions and ECN accounts where spreads are tighter and commissions apply per lot. Minimum trade sizes start from micro lot levels, making it accessible for smaller accounts, while leverage options vary depending on jurisdiction and regulatory restrictions. Account types include individual accounts, joint accounts, and corporate accounts, allowing both retail traders and business entities to participate. There are no hidden platform fees for standard trading activity, but optional services such as VPS hosting, premium add-ons, or enhanced execution tools may carry additional costs depending on usage. Overall, Infinox pricing structure prioritizes transparency and choice, allowing traders to pay for execution quality rather than bundled extras they may not need. FIBOGROUP positions itself as a long-standing, infrastructure-driven broker designed for traders who value platform familiarity, execution consistency, and access to multiple market models rather than modern app-style interfaces. The broker supports MT4 and MT5 across desktop and mobile, offering trading in Forex, indices, commodities, metals, cryptocurrencies, and CFDs on shares. Execution options include both market execution and instant execution models, depending on the account type, giving traders control over how orders are filled. FIBOGROUP also provides PAM accounts, allowing investors to allocate capital to managed strategies, which appeals to users who prefer indirect participation rather than active trading. One of FIBOGROUP's core strengths is its longevity and conservative operating model. The platform environment is stable, order execution is predictable under normal market conditions, and spreads remain competitive on ECN-style accounts. Advanced traders appreciate the availability of multiple execution types, VPS compatibility, and support for automated trading and expert advisors. However, the platform experience feels dated compared to newer brokers, with limited educational tools, minimal in-platform analytics, and a user interface that prioritizes function over design. Beginners may find the learning curve steeper, especially without modern onboarding flows or guided tools. FIBOGROUP was established in the late 1990s and is one of the older names in the retail forex space. Over time, it built its reputation around infrastructure, liquidity access, and traditional brokerage services, rather than aggressive marketing or rapid expansion. Its long operating history appeals to traders who prioritize continuity and operational familiarity, though its slower evolution has made it less visible in newer retail trading markets. Pricing depends on account structure rather than a single universal model. FIBOGROUP offers MT4 fixed accounts with fixed spreads, MT4 NDD accounts with floating spreads, MT4 ND no commission accounts with costs built into spreads, MT4 NDD commission accounts with raw pricing plus commission, MT5 NDD accounts, and PAMM investment accounts. Minimum deposits vary by account type, spreads differ based on execution model, and commissions apply on ECN-style accounts. Leverage availability depends on regulation and account classification. Account ownership includes individual accounts, joint accounts, and corporate accounts. Additional costs may apply for swaps, inactivity, and certain administrative actions. Looking at independent sentiment, Infinox currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.6, with customers frequently highlighting smooth execution, stable MT4 and MT5 performance, fair pricing on STP and ECN accounts, and responsive customer support. Comments often mention reliable withdrawals and platform stability, with minor criticism around limited advanced tools. FIBOGROUP holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.4, with mixed feedback. Some users praise its long-standing reliability, execution consistency, and broker transparency, while others point to outdated interfaces, limited educational content, and slower support response compared to newer competitors. Final takeaway. If you want a modern, execution-focused broker with flexible account structures, reliable platforms, and strong customer satisfaction, Infinox delivers a cleaner and more accessible trading experience. If you value broker longevity, traditional execution models, PAMM investing, and platform familiarity over modern design and education tools, FIBOGROUP fits that profile. If this comparison helped you choose the broker that actually aligns with how you trade, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that matches your strategy, not just the one with the loudest marketing.